In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneKeyCash balance on Expedia. If you're part of Expedia's OneKey Rewards program, your OneKeyCash is the travel currency you earn on eligible bookings and can use toward future trips. Knowing where to find your balance and activity helps you plan with confidence, so let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Expedia OneKey. You can type this into your search engine or directly into the address bar. This is the fastest way to land on the official OneKey information without memorizing URLs. From the results, open the first official Expedia link, or specifically look for the one whose address includes expedia.com and the path Welcome OneKey. Always double-check that you're on Expedia's official site before signing in. You should see the secure padlock in the address bar and the expedia.com domain. Once the page loads, click Sign In. This is typically at the top right of the page. Use your usual login method to access your account. If you use multi-factor verification, complete that as prompted. If you're already signed in, you can move straight on. After you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials or a small person silhouette. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far or hidden behind a menu. From the Profile menu, select View Rewards Activity. This takes you to your OneKey Rewards dashboard. If you see other options like Account, Rewards, or OneKey, open that section and then choose the activity view. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Open the page that shows your reward details. On the Rewards Activity page, you'll see your OneKeyCash balance displayed prominently, along with a list of recent transactions. Here, you can review what you've earned from recent bookings, what you've redeemed, and whether any amounts are still pending. Many bookings only post after you've completed your stay or trip, so don't worry if something doesn't appear immediately. Look for filters or date ranges if you want to narrow down the list, and select individual entries to view more details when available. If something looks off, refresh the page, check again after a little time has passed, or visit Expedia's help resources for clarification. Cancellations, changes, and eligibility rules can affect your balance. That's it. You've located your OneKeyCash balance and your recent activity, so you always know where you stand before you book. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.